Broad spectrum sunscreens for outdoors and indoors, UVB, UVA, IR blue light protection, leaves no cast behind, oil-free, fragrance-free for all skin types. The White Lotus sunscreen serums SPF 50 and SPF 30 from Pilgrim are a new breakthrough product. Why are they so good? The sunscreen in a serum form promises you not only UV protection but also gives you massive anti-aging and hydration. They're also a real joy to apply on your face. Let's understand what these products are made of. The first one we are talking is the SPF 30, the White Lotus sunscreen serum from Pilgrim. These sunscreens are dermatologically tested. Oh wait! Boot Star 3 rating according to Coripa guidelines. Certified, certified, certified. You can wear these sunscreens with an absolute belief and confidence that this sunscreen serum from Pilgrim is actually delivering on the UVB, UVA protection. And of course the IR and blue light protection. But most importantly against the UV protection. Certified sunscreens means that the sunscreen factors or the filters have been tested in the lab to perform beautifully in the formulation. Now remember, in formulations you'll have humectants, you'll have emollients, you'll have stabilizers and a whole lot of other ingredients, right? So it's important to see that dilution is not affecting the efficacy or the effectiveness of the filters. And so therefore testing to certify sunscreen is really, really important. And the Pilgrim's White Lotus sunscreen serums have it. Certified. The lotiony serum formulation of the Pilgrim White Lotus SPF 30 sunscreen has got a whole lot of filters as well as ingredients for hydration and anti-aging. Among its filters, it's got octyl salicylate, it's got octyl methoxycinnamate, it's got diethylamino, blah 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 blah, as you can see over here. And it has a whole lot of other ingredients in there which not only give you UV protection but also give you photo stability, which means that you're not going to have too much pigmentation and tanning when you're outside. It disappears in the very nice dewy finish, as you can see here. And I think the new thing which the sunscreens are now giving us is not only they're giving you protection, but they're also giving you this nice dewy hydrated finish, which I think is so important. Not only is it important for people who have dry, sensitive skin like I do, if they're not very well hydrated, they tend to kind of form creases on my face. And if you have oily skin, then you technically don't need to use your moisturizer because you're getting all the hydration and the emollient and the protection from the sunscreen serum as well. So you're literally saving on a product by investing in a sunscreen serum. I'm going to keep my hand here so you can see how the cast develops. Along with the filters, as you can see over here, it's got citric acid, which is going to brighten and soften your skin, and it has got antioxidants. The hydration is coming from sodium hyaluronate and sodium gluconate as well as aloe. It also has propendiol, which is going to be very soothing for your skin. Along with that, it of course has vitamin E. Now, vitamin E, in fact, you'll hear me say this over and over again, that it's so important to have a whole lot of antioxidants in your skincare. More importantly, in your sunscreen, because antioxidants will kind of make sure that your product is helping you fight the UV radiation and the pollutants even better. Antioxidants are now gaining a lot of importance in skincare because they are one of the most critical ingredients in your skincare, right? Because the pollution is real, climate change is real, the UV radiation toxicity is real. This particular sunscreen serum from Pilgrim is packed with antioxidants. As you can see here, the cast is really gone. In fact, you have this nice dewy, hydrated finish. So priced at 400 for 30 ml, this is a fantastic product. The Pilgrim White Lotus Sunscreen Serum SPF 30 is a great product if you're going to be indoors. It's also a great product if you're going to be just outside in short bursts, say a quick car ride of 10 minutes or something, and you can just wear the SPF 30, is going to serve you very well. However, if you're going to have a longer day outside, you might want to up the protection by using the White Lotus Sunscreen Serum at SPF 50. The SPF 50 of course has better UV protection and better UVA protection. Let's look at the filters while we see how the product is. The product is almost the same in terms of the lotion and is nice and gooey. People were saying I'm using too much, but that's the fact with sunscreens. You have to use a lot and then wait how the product develops on your skin. So I'm going to leave my hand over here to see how the product actually shows its true colors. Let's look at the filters. It's got almost similar filters as was in SPF 30. Along with that, it also has octocrylene. and it has got citric acid, almost similar ingredients. It of course has the Centella asiatica, which is gotu kola for calming your skin, and is packed with sodium hyaluronate and sodium gluconate for giving you the hydration that your skin might require. So yes, when you're using the sunscreen serums from Pilgrim, you might want to skip the moisturizer because you have enough hydration and humectants in the sunscreen itself. The Pilgrim Sunscreen Serum SPF 50 has a little bit of cast, or it takes a little more time to develop for the cast to kind of settle down. Priced at $450 for 30 ml, I feel it's a fabulous product to use because you don't feel any stinging, you don't feel any burning, and it doesn't make you sweat unnecessarily when you're indoors. But of course, the reality really depends on how they perform in the real environment in the hot test. For that, let's head out. It's almost gone, the white cast. A little bit that I have, I'm going to smoothen it over here. But real test करते हैं बाहर जाके. Well, there's no stinging, there's no burning. I have this beautiful Frangipani plant in my garden. These are the fragrant Frangipani. It's apparently like a bonsai plant, so it doesn't grow too big. I've been out for about 3 to 4 minutes. There's no stinging, there's no burning. My eyes are not stinging. There's no wateriness, there's no that fogginess which comes when a product doesn't work with your eyes. It kind of makes it sensitive and stingy. None of that is that, so I'm feeling really nice. It also has a kind of a cooling effect, so it is not sweaty, it is not feeling very sticky, and absolutely no burning or ickiness at all. And as you can see, the cast is very, very nice. It's not there at all. It's almost like I don't have a sunscreen on. It's really hot in Hyderabad, so it's a good time to have the sunscreen test because even though I'm sweating, the sunscreen is not streaking at all, which is incredibly important when you have a sunscreen. When you're wearing a sunscreen, especially in a country like India where it's going to get hot and sweaty, and if the product is not well made, it's going to streak around. In some places, you can sometimes catch the cast, just need to smoothen it out, and it kind of goes away. Pilgrim's White Lotus Sunscreen Serum at SPF 50 and SPF 30 might be some of the best sunscreen that you're going to experience in 2022. They are great for all skin types. I have dry skin, it worked beautifully for me. I gave it to my husband, JD, who has really oily skin, and it works really well for him as well. So here I was outside. I'd gone to collect my passport, and I had to stand out in the line for about 5 minutes. It's really hot in Hyderabad, but I have to say, despite the fact that I sweat a fair amount, there is no streaking of the Pilgrim SPF 50 Sunscreen Serum. It is in fact as beautifully on my face as it was when I put it on earlier in the day. You saw the video for that. I have to say that the Pilgrim SPF 50 Sunscreen Serum really wins the hot test. If you've experienced the new sunscreen serums, let me know how your experience was. To discuss this more, I'm going to meet you in the comment section.